Welcome back to the channel. We've got the Weeping Willow log up on the mill. It's got a crack in it, a stress crack. I don't like that it's oriented on an angle. I would rather it was flat. We want that crack to be flat because this log wants to move this way. Both ends have the same crack and it's in the same orientation. So it's going to move this way on me. If I turn it flat, my boards will be banana shaped, not hockey stick shaped. Banana shaped you can deal with on stickering. You weigh down the middle and hopefully they dry straight. The other way, it's just a problem. It's also got almost nothing underneath here for support, so I'm going to roll it so that the top is down. Thanks for watching, thanks for commenting. So the next problem with this log is that the splits aren't centered. You can see this end's at 13, the other end, well, 13 above my ruler. The other end is about 16 above the ruler, or level. But I'm not going to worry about that, and I'll show you why. So, the reason I'm not worried about that is that this end bends down. You can see how much it bends down there. Quite a gap. So in this, that crack should run pretty much level through there and then bend down here. So if I was to level it, I would cut across that stress crack. I would rather cut most of it even or parallel with that stress crack. Let's get the mill fired up and see which one of us is right. So one of the questions I get a lot is, where do you make that first cut? And the answer to that is, depends on what you're cutting. There's an entire video on how to figure it out coming up once I learn how to draw in Inkscape or whatever drawing program, because there's a lot of math and a lot of graphics. But anyway, I'm cutting 2x4s. I want a 4-inch open face. So as you can see, I can get a 4-inch open face just about right at the top. This is the low spot pretty much for this end. I'm going to come down 1/2 or 3/4 of an inch and we'll see what happens, but that's roughly where I start. So that gives me a 6-inch opening at roughly 7 feet. I can get a 2x6 that's 7 feet long out of that, and I'll be down into here someplace. Let's see if the mill will start. So that gives me about a 12-inch open face. It's about, oh, it's 8 feet long. So I can get 3 2x4s out of that. Yeah, let's go down another 1.5 inches. I'm a little concerned that I might not get past here or here with the blade guide. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that carburetor's not happy. I don't know what's going on with it, but well, we'll see. Anyway, we'll get this slab off. I think it's about time to roll it over. We'll see how that goes. So we've got the loader tractor back in. We've got it chained up. More as a sky hook than anything. A safety device, if you will. I'm really afraid that when I flip this over, it flips the mill. That would be a very bad day. Yeah. So anyway, safety. Let's get it undogged. See if we can roll it over without flipping the mill. Yeah, that's not good. We'll have to figure out how to deal with that. Yeah, don't roll over yet. Don't go anywhere yet. Not yet. That's why the chains are there. This is the spot where it would flip the mill.